Before you build a prototype, watch this. Hi, I'm Adam Taven, co-founder of Rabbit Product Design. Whether you're an inventor, entrepreneur, startup, or established company, the next 3 minutes could save you from the single most expensive mistake people make when developing a new product. Because one mistake can cost you months of time, tens of thousands of dollars, and force you to start all over again. Here's what usually happens. Someone has a great idea. They hire a designer, build a prototype, spend thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Then they discover patent issues, or the product can't be manufactured the way they planned, or it's too expensive to produce profitably, or they invest in production and realize they have no real plan to sell it. Or worse, they finally develop a marketing strategy and discover the product itself needs to change to fit the market. Now they're forced to start over. At Rabbit, we do the exact opposite. Step 1. Product Optimization Assessment. Before you invest heavily in development, we help reduce risk and create a clear roadmap. We perform an expert-level product review, identify opportunities to improve the product, recommend the best materials and manufacturing methods, create an illustration of the recommended solution and manufacturing direction, identify technical, design, and manufacturing risks, and provide a realistic prototype budget and development timeline. You can also choose optional domestic or international patent research and analysis. This helps identify similar patents, reduce infringement risks, and determine whether your product may be difficult to protect, license, or sell before investing significant money. Once we understand the product, we work backward from success. Then we determine the smartest manufacturing strategy to achieve the lowest practical production cost. We can optionally develop your go-to-market strategy, define how you'll sell, build your brand, and even set up your social media accounts, creating daily posts and building a customer interest list before you launch. We can now move to step 2, product development and prototyping. You'll be assigned a dedicated product developer who guides your project from start to finish. They'll perform all design activities, develop production-ready CAD, schematic, PCB layout, write firmware, and engineer the product around the manufacturing and assembly strategy established in step 1. Before any prototype is built, you'll participate in a detailed design review to ensure we've designed exactly what you envisioned. And unlike many firms that rely heavily on 3D printing, we often build prototypes using production-grade materials whenever possible. This provides a much higher level of design validation before production. Then comes step 3, manufacturing and production launch. We create all final production documentation and detailed parts lists. Then, leverage our vetted manufacturing network to obtain competitive pricing. We manage production setup, review samples, validate quality, and help guide the approval process before your first order is built. Here's the reality. Get the process wrong and you could waste months or years and spend far more money than necessary. Get it right the first time and you'll reach the market faster, spend less, reduce risk, and dramatically improve your chances of success. That's why the product optimization assessment is the smartest first step you can take. So fill out the payment section below to get started.